Hello, my name is Sam Saba. I am the Director of Analytics here at iDENTIFY, and I'm going to demonstrate using AI to analyze some deposit account snapshot data. Let's jump into it. For sake of brevity, I'm just going to paste in my queries. So first query, first prompt is, how's my deposit portfolio looking? Is it growing or shrinking? And I'm being specific here and asking it to plot that balance, average, the total of the average balance. So take the average balance of each account and sum them across accounts and exclude any months with incomplete data. So you can see it's thinking. And if you look at what's going on in here, you can see its line of thinking and make sure that it's interpreting your question correctly. And it comes up with a query. Here we go. So here's our results. We can see our portfolio is growing, and it has some comments about that and the rate of growth. Next question, we're going to drill into products. So now I'm going to ask it to plot that total average balance by product and see which products are growing and which are shrinking. We can see it thinking again. So this demo here is powered by Snowflake Intelligence, but other tools like Databricks can do the same stuff. Okay, we can see it's making progress. It has what it needs to answer the question. And let's just scroll down to the chart first. Okay, we see some products are growing, some not so much. And here it's making those comments that we've got some business products, money market, savings, all have grown. And the ones that are more stable, more consumer. It also points out that business products generally are showing stronger growth than consumer products. Now we're going to ask it, what are the top customers contributing to the growth of the business products? And again, I'm being a little explicit here and telling it to tell me the account number and name for each of these customers. Interestingly enough, it recognizes that we have a column in here called TIN type that distinguishes between individuals and businesses, and it's using that to focus on business customers. It's also looking at business products. Let's generate its query. And here we've got our top 10 list. See, this Animal Rescue League is the top one with 357K in growth for our date range of our data set, which is basically since 2022. And the list continues. Last question. Now we're asking, are there any large withdrawals lately? Specifically, we're asking about February 2025. And we're talking about, and we're explaining to the AI is just look for an instance where the balance decreased significantly from one day to the next. Okay, we've got results coming in. We can see that 14 Oak Tree Lane had a few big withdrawals at the end of the month. Same with 912 Thompson Court, O'Connell and Sons, and Bellflower Court. And it notices that there's a trend that most of these withdrawals are at the end of the month, though not all. And it has come up with what it considers a significant withdrawal being in the 9,000 to 11,000 range. So this is just a sampling of some of the things we can do. We haven't even started to look in this demo at transactions or customer data. So you can imagine it goes much, much deeper than this. Thank you for your time.